Okay, 35 millimeter on the Sony ZV-E10. Okay, but I'm using the kit lens. It's in program mode. I'm going to Best Buy and get me 2 power supplies. Finally got Windows 11 working on the new PC. I put in a 4 terabyte and updated Windows 11 clean install, but you can't put in a product thing in. All right, so somehow they shipped me 2 motherboards. I was thinking of sending it back, but you know what? I might upgrade the other Windows 10, which I like so much, and I really don't have anything on there, but just to experiment, I might get a new processor and memory with another power supply, and then see if it takes. Now let me go, even if he was there first. So it's 87 degrees outside. That said 91 on the computer. I got a case, so I'm going to use that because I like the case. So I may not even get the, I'll just load it back up and then just take everything off of it, because I don't need that computer anymore either. I've decided to move the Mac Mini, and I was debating to keep it in the office, or I might move it into the guest bedroom and have it in there, and that way I have 2 PCs, one Mac and one Windows. All I have to do is just hook up the cable to that monitor, and everything will work great. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to buy 1 power supply and leave it at that. I don't have to upgrade another computer. I'll just put it in the box. That way I don't have to buy any more fans, but I might do that also. I hate using third-party fans, like I want it simple where you just plug it in the motherboard, but they want controller systems. You plug everything in, it's proprietary, and I hate that crap. Just give me a fan, put it on. I have extra fans. What I might do is just, put no colors on it. But I don't know, I'll take a look. I've talked to the guys at Best Buy, and they agree with me. Corsair and I think it's Thermaltake. Yeah, they got special consoles. They just make a nice rainbow kind of fan that I just plug into the motherboard. No controllers or anything. No extra adapters, whatever. But I am going to get me another power supply. And I'll probably send the other motherboard back since I haven't opened it. I gotta call Amazon. don't know. Hey, I had two. Why spend more money? I got enough computers as it is. I'm trying to downgrade. So put that gaming machine in the office, and I like that. I can play games in the Studio 64 and stuff. And then excuse me. I got a little LED thing going on with the case too, which makes it look good. I found the controllers for that. So I have to put the motherboard in the case. It's downloading Tomb Raider game. The TV is running at 120 hertz, so the game's going to look awesome. I put it on regular 4K, and it was going like 168 or something like that. So that was pretty good. But I'm going to try it on a 4K TV, which is 120 hertz through the HDMI. See how that works. I can get rid of quite a few computers. You know, the ones I don't use anymore. And I was thinking of putting the Mac Mini in a different area, but then they said, you know what, I'm not going to do that in the office. So I can get one there. I can get one in the bedroom where I'm going to put the Mac Mini. And what I come to the conclusion, those computers, once they can't upgrade anymore, I'm just going to get rid of them. So I got a 8400, an 8700, okay, in the guest bedroom. I figure it's better just to have the games in two places, okay? So it's either the office, I got one in the living room. So in the bedroom, I got an iMac. I don't know, because that 3600 is still good. Alright, so I'm going to hang this up. It's hot outside. It's 96 degrees. Wow. Summer is here, folks. Once it hits 100, then the grass starts dying. Then I don't have to cut the grass anymore. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. 35 degrees again. Got a power supply, keyboard, and mouse. I like the small keyboard. I'm going to get that. Alright, I should be home shortly. And I've got to contact Amazon. I got to get the couple other things I got to ship tomorrow. So, yeah, I was saying before, it took me a while to get Windows installed on that computer. And the first thing I noticed, I needed a power supply. Okay. So that's done. I got me a 1000 watt. Hopefully it'll fit in the case. If not, I have to probably go to Altex to get me another case, which is okay. Because then I can use the old power supply in the old computer. Probably sell that. So my ZBE1 kept overheating, and yeah, once it gets above 80 degrees in the room, it's I guess it's not enough airflow. I got a fan, I can't find it anywhere, So I'll look back in the shed. So what I could do also is just have the Wi-Fi connection where the Mac Mini is and just leave it in that office also. And that way I can use both computers on that TV. And I might do that also. You know, just to leave it alone. Yeah, this is the problem, is you get a lot of folks and it's hard to get on the roads, especially with the construction and traffic. And I think Jiffy Lube's open. So I get $25 off. I need an oil change. I'll go to Discount Tire and get my tires rotated again. And balanced and all that crud. You need new windshield? No, I just got brand new ones from you last time I was here. Yeah, but that was a month ago. Yeah, they're coming along. So they got the, I think they're cement. But it's a holiday, nobody's working. Yeah, it's going to be HOV lanes. That's what they're doing. It's more money. I said they'll use that to keep the roads up. As long as it's not a toll road. Be funny if everybody used an HOV lane. And you still have a traffic jam. Alright. Yep, 97 degrees. So I'm thinking I'm using the ZV E1 as my portable Sony camera. And I'm going to put the S5 II in its place. So then I can't call it the Sony Studio anymore. So I got to contact Amazon to send the product back. Put that computer together. Hopefully this power supply will fit in it. Not back on the road again. Get a PC case. See, I'm glad I kept that 570X. I got my father-in-law a big old Thermaltake case, which I really loved. And he put his i7-7700K in it. That was overkill, but man, that case kept it cool. I'll put this vlog up. I'll put the two together, and then car vlog that is. Put up the video of the finished product with the PC. Get my package ready to, two packages ready. One I'm going to use Amazon, the other one I'm going to use UPS. Okay, folks, that's it. That's all she wrote. So, thank you for tagging along. I shall see you later. And I'll have that PC up in no time. I just want to see how long it takes for Tomb Raider to download. Bye, folks.